For the hardworking homeowner who likes to work with their hands, the tool cabinet is the perfect place to store your arsenal of hand tools and hardware. The full extension drawers on double ball-bearing slides glide smoothly, while the large handles make it easy to open and close, even with a handful of fasteners or nails. Organize your plumbing and electrical supplies in separate drawers, complete with soft liners, and keep your expensive ratchet set locked away with the reliable full cabinet locking mechanism. The tool cabinet can be outfitted with caster wheels to create a mobile workstation, giving convenient access to those quick grab items like screwdrivers, tape measure, and hammer. You'll always know exactly where your tools are with the Bold Series tool cabinet.